Hi friends, this video shows how to do screen mirroring. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, set settings icon from top. Select system. So first we have to ensure that TV has chromecast feature. So here under system we can see cast option. That means this TV has chromecast feature. Go up, select about, and here we can see device name. Please note this name, Google TV. That is the device name. We can change this name. So right now this is the name of this TV. Please note it. Then go back. Then again go to settings. Then select network and internet. Here you can see I have connected this TV to Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. So we have to connect both the mobile phone and TV to same Wi-Fi network or same mobile hotspot. So let me go to mobile phone. In mobile phone, go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Tap on network and internet. So here we can see I have connected this mobile phone to same Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. If you don't have Wi-Fi router, then you can use mobile hotspot. In that case, you have to connect both the mobile phone and TV to same mobile hotspot. So let me open Google Play Store. Tap on this Google Play Store app icon. Then we have to install this app, Google Home app. I already installed. Let me open it. So in this app, we have to log in with Gmail ID and password. I already logged in. Tap on this devices tab. Tap on that. Now here we can see Google TV. So this is the name of the TV which I am using. This Google Home app will automatically search and detect Chromecast enabled devices in the same Wi-Fi network. So here this Google Home app has detected my TV. So that is why it's showing that TV name here, Google TV. Tap on this TV name. Tap on cast my screen. Tap on cast screen. Tap on start now. See, it's working. So let me focus TV screen. See, this way we can do screen mirroring using Google Home app. If you want to switch display to full screen, you can enable screen rotation on mobile phone. Then just rotate the phone. That way we can switch display to full screen in TV. We can also watch YouTube videos in full screen. Just to open YouTube app in mobile phone. Then just to rotate the phone. So next I will show you how we can stop this mirroring. Open Google Home app. Tap on this Google Home app icon. Here we can see stop mirroring. Tap on stop mirroring. Done. So this way we can do screen mirroring. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.